Today isn't just about cruising, it's about celebrating the first real cruise with our newest family member. Welcome back to the Austrian Car Guy. First and foremost, a huge thank you for watching my stuff and for your comments on my recent videos. I really appreciate it. While I've always had a sweet spot in my heart for the sleek lines of my first-gen Cadillac Seville, today we explore the simple yet profound beauty of this classic VW bug. It's more than just a car to us. It's a symbol of our shared love for old-school driving. Every turn of the wheel, every kilometer traveled is pure fun. And seeing my girlfriend light up with joy from the passenger seat is the best part for me. And as we're driving, we're making memories that will last a lifetime. So what makes this 69 bug so special? It's not just its cool design or its tough spirit. It's what it means to my girlfriend. Her dream car come true. Cruising together isn't just a trip, it's an adventure shared with my favorite person, even if she won't show herself on camera. One of my favorite moments was when she finally got why I love cruising my Cadillac Seville so much. This bug has taught us more than just the choice of classic car ownership. It's shown us the beauty of sharing passions and exploring new roads together. Make up your choice, and just let your spirit shine. Well, sometimes there ain't no easy way. This bug is more than just a car, it's a beacon of joy, a symbol of our shared love for hitting the road with our favorite classic cars. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Your support truly means the world to me. I wish you a happy season cruising your classics, and as always, until next time, drive safe and take care. Pfiat euch!